Welcome to the TV King channel, cutting the cord since 2002. Please make sure to click the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest tips and tutorials. Breaking news. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Amazon's big move against jailbroken firesticks and pirate streaming apps. Starting now, Amazon says it will block unofficial apps on Fire TV devices. If you use a modified Fire Stick, this update might affect you. Let's go over what's changing and what you need to know. Amazon is now blocking access to apps that provide pirated or illegal content. These are the apps people often install outside of the Amazon App Store. When Amazon detects one of these apps, you'll see a message that says, "This app is blocked." And once it's blocked, you can't open it again. This change is rolling out globally, so everyone using a Fire TV device will notice it soon. Amazon says this update is meant to protect users and support content creators. They also warn that many unofficial apps contain malware or security risks. Some of these pirated apps can steal your information, track what you watch, or even expose your Wi-Fi network to hackers. So according to Amazon, this is all about safety. Experts agree there's a real danger. Pirate apps often ask for strange permissions or connect to unknown servers. In some cases, users have lost credit card details, personal data, or even access to their accounts. These apps might look free, but the hidden cost could be your privacy. Amazon's latest streaming device, the Fire TV Stick 4K Select, uses a brand new operating system called Vega OS. It's not based on Android. That means sideloading unofficial apps is now much harder. In simple terms, the new Fire Stick is more locked down and more secure than before. Experts say it's a strong move, but it won't end piracy completely. People can still stream illegally from laptops, custom Android boxes, or modified devices from other brands. This crackdown just makes it harder for casual users to use pirated apps on Fire Sticks. If Amazon flags your app, it simply won't run. Even if you find a workaround, you're still at risk for malware, data theft, and even legal problems. Some sellers of these modified devices have already faced police investigations and fines, so the risk is real. Many users say it's because streaming subscriptions are expensive. Shows and movies are scattered across multiple services, and it's hard to afford them all. Experts believe the best way to fight piracy isn't through blocks or bans, but by offering cheaper, more convenient legal options. So here's the bottom line. Amazon's new update makes Fire Sticks safer and helps protect people from risky apps. But if you're using a jailbroken device, expect those unofficial apps to stop working soon. My advice is this: try using Kodi or learn about Plex or Jellyfin with a NAS setup. Sooner or later, Google will follow what Amazon is doing and start banning APKs too. So when Amazon and Google start banning these APKs, you will have the knowledge to move on. Your online activity is monitored by your ISP, government, and all websites. Become anonymous while streaming and downloading with Privado VPN. Click on the Privado VPN link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.